Today's video we are going to see how to solve the gear cube. Solving gear cube is very easy. You just need to learn two formulas. So these two formulas are U(R2), U(R2) and R4. So before we go to the step 1, I just need to tell you guys that if you finish one complete phase in a gear cube, you can easily finish the other phases just by twisting their edge pieces. So for this video, I'll be finishing the yellow phase. So first what I need to do is, first I need to fix the corners. So this piece right here, that is yellow and red piece, its pair is here. So we can just directly match the pair like this. When you actually do this, the down part, this pair here, right here, but the yellow one which will be here after some movements, are already fixed here, you can see. So if you finish pairing the first set of corners, automatically the other set of corners will be paired, and yeah, it's here. So now I'll just fix it to the yellow face. So let's go to the next step. So for this step, we are actually going to fix the edge problem, which is right here. So we are going to fix the edges, these two edges, and then we'll go to the next step. So for fixing edges, we are going to use the formula U(R2), U(R2). So the procedure for using the formula is, so I have the piece here, the yellow and blue. So this yellow and blue piece should be here. So I will make the yellow face the left side and the blue face the right side. So the yellow face is totally facing the left side and the blue face is facing the right side. You can see yellow is facing the left and blue is facing the yellow and blue piece that is here, that piece we need to fix here is facing the right side. Now we need to do the formula U(R2), U(R2). So the edges got matched to their faces, but there are some problems here. So as you can see, in the blue and yellow area, the blue and yellow area, you can see that the yellow and green pieces here. So this piece need to go here. So for this, the piece which is going to go to the other side, the opposite direction, will face you, and then the formula which we need to do is same, that is U(R2), U(R2). We need to use U(R2), U(R2). So the edges of the place, this face totally got fixed. So just we need to twist them. So this the next step is going to be the last step. I will tell you guys how to fix the edges now. So coming to the last step, we need to twist the edges so that it will actually fix the whole gear cube, and yeah, we'll solve the whole cube. So what I mean by twist is, so you can see the green and yellow the edge piece here, green and yellow edge piece should be like this. So you can see it is matching the colors are matching the center. So but it is not like it's something irregular. So for that we are going to use the formula R4. So this formula will not work at the first step alone. Sometimes it will work, but sometimes it will not work. So first phase we finish, the yellow phase is completely solved. So next we need to uh, finish the other phases where it is like damaged edge pieces. So for this also we will be using the R4 formula. 3, 4. So yeah, we finished the gear cube. So that was pretty easy. But remember this, please. The R4 formula will not work in the first step itself. Sometimes it will work, like now what happened to us, but most of the times it won't be like first step finish itself. First time finish itself, it won't be like that. So yeah, sometimes you need to do the R4 formula twice. So yeah, that's it. So we finished the gear cube. I'll show you the completed sides.